today, Sea Grant has partnered with Parish, Marina, and St. Bernard EcoTourism to do a whole field trip for third graders in St. Bernard Parish. They get to ride on a pontoon boat. They will learn about native species, water quality. They'll get to stick their hands in the touch boxes and guess what types of species are inside of there.
Their teeth are always growing, so they have to keep chewing on stuff to wear their teeth down, because if they don't wear them down, they'll just grow until it's growing into their bottom lip.
We also have a river model that'll teach kids how our delta was created by simulating the river running through and pushing out sediment. So my name is Miss Dominique, this is Mr. Monty.
Hi guys.
We're going to talk about a lot of different things today. Do you guys know what kind of water we're in right now?
Salt water.
Salt water? What do you think?
Salt and fresh.
Fresh water? Salt and fresh? What is that called? Brackish, that's right, guys. So we are in brackish water. What types of animals live in brackish water? Redfish, that's right. Who said redfish? What else?
Bass.
Bass, that's right. What else? Shrimp do like this type of water too.
Catfish.
Catfish, good job, guys. That's right, good job. What about something that has big claws?
Ooh. Lobster. Crab.
Crab. What types of crabs live in Louisiana?
Blue crab.
Blue crab, good job, guys. What is this called? This is a crab trout, that's right, guys. We use these to catch what? Crabs. Good job. And we put the bait in the middle. You see where that white rope is? That's where we put the bait. How do you think the crabs get in the trap? So they use these green things here, these big green holes to get in. And then they go after that bait, and that's how they get stuck. What are these black rings for?
Debris.
No. If this is for getting in, what do you think this is for?
Getting out.
Getting out. Why would we want things to get out?
So it can be free.
Do big crabs go out of this hole or little crabs? Little crabs, that's right. Why is it important for little crabs to get out?
Because they need to grow bigger.
They need to grow bigger, right? We don't eat little crabs like this. We eat crabs like this, right? So we're going to pull up a crab trap and we're going to see if we caught anything. You guys ready?
I found it.
Do you think the trap, do you think it floats on the top of the water, or do you think it sits on the bottom?
Bottom.
The trap sits on the bottom. And the float lets us find it and pull it up. Pull that crab trap.
Pull it! Pull that rope!
Pull the rope.
You gotta pull the whole rope.
Here, girl.
All right, keep it up.
Pull!
Pull it up.
Pull! Hurry!
You did that. That's great.
You're doing great. Good job.
All right, keep pulling. Pull
All
the way
right.
to the pull.
Oh, did we catch anything?
It's a blue crab.
That's right, it's a blue crab.
All right, thank you very much. All right, you want
Do
to
you guys know the difference between a male crab and a female crab?
Nope.
No? So they have something on their underbelly and they have different shapes. A female crab has a half moon shape, almost like a half of an oval, and it's called their apron. And when they have eggs, that's where their eggs are stored, in their apron. But a male crab has like a long, skinny triangle. So we have a crab to show you guys. I want you to guess, is it male or female? Is
How
it,
you know?
hold on, is it male or female?
Male.
That's right, good job, guys.
Why is it blue?
Because it's a, what kind of crab?
A blue crab.
Yes. So guys, did you know that crabs have clear blood?
I can't eat.
Guys, did you know crabs have clear blood? So if I was to rip his claw off, his like, what would happen?
He would not bleed. He will.
He would bleed, but will we see it?
No.
It would look like what? Water? Do you guys know what erosion is? Erosion means that we're losing land. And Louisiana is losing land at the fastest rate in the country. And there's two animals that make it go a lot faster. They're called invasive species. You want to guess what those animals are? I'm going to give you some clues, okay? The first animal is a mammal. He's brown and furry and has a long skinny tail.
Neutral?
That's right. Good job. You're the first one that got that right today.
I'll take it.
Good job. You guys know what a nutria is?
Yes. It's a big rat.
Right. It's a big rat.
Next with the beaver and rat and beaver.
Can you eat them?
Yes.
Yes. Who was eating it before? Oh, just me? Oh, you too? Good job. Okay. What's another animal that eats a lot of our vegetation? He's also a mammal. He sort of looks like a farm animal, much bigger. He can have tusks. That's a clue.
Pig?
A pig, a wild pig, right? What else they call wild pigs?
Hogs.
Hogs, that's right. So we eat wild pig and nutria, but there's an animal in the wild that eats them. What do you think that is?
Alligator.
That's right, good job, an alligator. Alligators are called apex predators. That means they're at the very top of the food chain and nothing eats that predator. Except for us, right? Because we eat everything. Right. All right, guys, so I have a special visitor on board. He's a baby, so we have to be very quiet, okay? He's only about a year old. His name is Alfred. Everyone say hi, Alfred. Are we loud around babies or soft spoken? Okay, so Mr. Monty's going to bring Alfred around so you guys can touch him and hold him. It's okay if you don't want to.
You see his eyes? Miss Dominique, would you tell us a little bit about his eyes?
Yes, guys. So our eyelids that we have, do they open and close like this or like this? Like this, right. But alligators are super unique. They have two sets of eyelids, ones that close like us, like this, and another one like this, and that's called a nictitating membrane. What do you think that's for?
So water can't get in his eyes.
Exactly, so water can't get into his eyes. Do we like water in our eyes when we swim? No. They also have little pieces that close their nose and their ears too, so water doesn't get in them. Alligators have all those features that they've adapted to that helps them survive better in the water. Do alligators lay eggs?
Yes.
Yes. How many eggs do you think they lay?
20. No, 6. That's his tail. It's 7. 6 and 7 or 16.
So they lay about 35 eggs, but they can lay up to 70.
What?
And alligators, the females will build a nest and they'll take all of the vegetation and grass and put it on top of the eggs. So as the grass dies, it keeps the eggs warm. And the temperature in the air determines if they'll be male or female. So if it's really warm outside, you think they're going to be males or females?
Females?
Males. And if it's cold outside, they'll be what?
Females.
Females. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Great job.